The difference between flexible and a rigid pavement, very important questions. Many times they will ask in video exam. So flexible pavement stresses transformation to the layers take place by grain to grain contact to the contact surface of the granular structures, whereas rigid pavement stresses transformation take place by the bending action of the slab. Second, maximum critical stresses is the maximum compressive stresses due to the wheel load and number of repetitions in flexible pavement, whereas in rigid pavement critical stresses is the maximum flexural stresses due to the design wheel load and temperature effects. Also tensile stresses are developed. Third, pavement possesses negligible flexural strength in flexible pavement, whereas in rigid pavement the possesses maximum rigidity and high Young's modulus. Fourth, design depends upon wheel load and also on the number of repetitions of wheel load. Here, design depends on wheel load and flexural stresses of the concrete. The life of the pavement is designed for 5 to 15 years in case of flexible pavement, and in the rigid pavement life ranges from 30 to 60 years. Always call for maintenance work in the flexible pavement. Number of maintenance required is except at joint section, because joints are the weakest point of the structure. Seventh, not economical in long run. Here it is economical in long run. Initial cost is very low in case of a flexible pavement. Initial cost is high at the rigid pavement. Joints not required in the flexible pavement, whereas essential joints are required. Essential, it is must and should required in the rigid pavement. Some more difference between flexible and rigid pavements. Moderate skill and less supervision is needed in case of flexible pavement. High skill and more supervision is needed in case of rigid pavement. Repair work is easy for flexible pavement. Repair work is difficult in rigid pavement. It is easy to lay, locate or repair underground pipes below the pavement. It is very difficult to locate and repair underground pipes below the pavement. They can be opened soon after the construction, but in case of rigid pavement they require minimum 1 month for curing after the construction, which delay opening to traffic. Less durable flexible pavement, more durable rigid pavement. Stresses are not developed due to the temperature changes. Stresses are developed due to temperature changes or temperature variation. They develop more correlations. They do not develop correlations. More resistant to the traffic loads, less resilient to traffic loads. Suitable for all type of traffic. They becomes noisy under the heavy wheel traffic. They adjust according to any deformations of subgrade without rupture. They do not adjust according to any deformation of subgrade without rupture. They offer more tractive resistance. They offer less tractive resistance.